A party? Yeah. Who are we gonna invite? Us three? I have no friends.
It can be a dog party.
We could! If you guys wanna bring your dogs over, I'll have treats and we can do a dog party. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Costco or Amazon.
Or anything.
Welcome back to another festive Friday where the whole month of December, I'm sprinkling a little bit of joy into your holiday season. Go ahead and grab a cup of coffee, get on some cozy slipper socks. Let's get into the gift of how to unfuck yourself. Here we go. I wanted to give the gift of abundance, self-love, and fortune. What better way to do that than giving your loved one all the tools they need to expand themselves, to expand their inner power, to expand their inner beauty, to expand their mind, their intelligence. I am bringing you the UnFuck Yourself gift box. The nice thing about this gift is it's very customizable and you can gift it any time of the year. It's not just applicable to the holiday season. However, it will make a great start to the new year, so I highly recommend it for upcoming 2019. This gift box was inspired by, you guessed it, UnFuck Yourself by Gary John Bishop. Now, after I read this book, I was like, oh man. I feel like every concept in this book is applicable to everyone. You can apply it to every realm of your life. It's awesome. It's a really great book. The UnFuck Yourself gift box is also inspired by two of my favorite quotes. The first one being, formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. We have so much information right at our fingertips. We carry our smartphones around with us, our laptops. There's libraries and authors and podcasters and YouTubers who have so much information. You can learn just about anything these days without having to go to school or without having to take a class. So many people don't utilize all of these wonderful resources that we have available to us in this day and age. This is also inspired by my second favorite quote, work on yourself harder than you work at your job. And this stands out to me because if you work on your mind and body, if you work on yourself, if you take time for yourself, then you will naturally excel in your life, in your relationships, in your family, in your career. It's so easy to do things for other people than for yourself. There's almost like this underlying guilt when we take time for ourselves. Let's unfuck ourselves together as a community. Let's go.
Unbox that bitch.
First thing we're gonna discuss is the actual box. This box I got on Amazon. No, the terrible calligraphy did not come with the box. That was the art of moi. So I saw this like cute Pinterest post and it had like calligraphy on the box, and I think it was like bridesmaids boxes, but I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm gonna do that instead of like getting a tag and putting it on the box. So I ordered a gold calligraphy pen and I was so freaking excited. And then you ever do something and it's just instant regret. So I fucked up the first box that I did, which is kind of ironic. And then I continued to do all the other boxes. So this was the best of the four. I super like this. I got this box on Amazon. It is $15 a box. I ordered a pack of 5 for $50. I wanted a box that they could actually use. And it was just a personal preference. Like I said, this whole gift is completely customizable. I'm just giving you a general idea and a theme of what you can put into it. So this has a magnetic tab right here. So it opens and closes here, and then the whole box opens. And the box is shipped flat, and then you just pop it open and there's some stickers. And I was actually shocked by the quality because, I don't know, maybe I just had low expectations. I set low expectations for a lot of things, but it's kind of a great thing because then when it exceeds my low expectations, I get extra excited about it. It's like the best thing in my whole life has happened to me. And I'm not advocating setting low expectations. However, it is kind of a good tool if you want to get hyped. The first thing in the box is, of course, the book. So I am gifting this to 4 people, and I was gonna get them all the UnFuck Yourself book, but they all live within a mile of each other, and so I was like, I have a better idea. So if you're giving this to one person, of course you can do the UnFuck Yourself book. However, you're not limited to this book. It's just the concept behind it. So I picked out 4 other awesome books, and I'm gifting it to all of them. And then I'm gonna put a note in the box. I'm gonna put a time and a date that they have to be done reading their book, and then we're gonna rotate. So I'm gonna kind of create a really interactive book club type thing. Not only is this a gift to expand yourself, but it's a gift to create a group of people who have similar goals and you can hold each other accountable. So the 4 books that I picked up is, of course, the UnFuck Yourself, You Are a Badass. The next book that I grabbed is Girl Wash Your Face. The reviews on this book were amazing. I haven't read it yet personally, but I got a little bit of a SparkNote version. The next book is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. I am obsessed with this book. It is so good. So those are the 4 books I picked out, and like I said, you can customize the books you're giving to the person that you're giving it to. So the next thing I put in the box kind of encompasses the idea of switching out the books and sharing. It's more of like the interactive side of it. So I also included highlighters and pens in all of my boxes. I color coded the highlighters per box so everyone has their own highlight color. Personally, when I read a book, to hold my attention span, because I feel like I start thinking and then I read pages and pages and pages and then never actually intake the information that I'm reading. So I like to have a highlighter and a pen on me, so as things stand out to me, I can highlight them or make notes in the book. At the end of all of us reading the book, since we all have color-coded highlighters, we'll be able to flip through the books and see what stood out to each of us. And it'll be so cool because then you can be like, oh, like this is an area of your life that you want to be held accountable for. This is an area in your life that you need help with, and you'll literally physically be able to see what stood out to each person in every book, which is, I don't know, I thought that was cool and interactive. So I included highlighters and pens. I got a big package of highlighters off of Amazon. It came with a lot of colors. It came with like 2 of every color. So I had like purple, green, yellow, orange, all the colors, pink. And then I grabbed these pens. These pens are actually really cute. I just got these pens from Target. You can use any pens. And that's an idea if you want to gift this to a group of people. If you want to make it more interactive, you can do the color-coded highlighters and the different books, and then kind of set dates of when you guys are each supposed to finish your books.
Get that coffee there.
It's not coffee, it's a London Fog. A London Fog with coconut milk and sugar-free vanilla. The next item in the UnFuck Yourself gift box is notebooks. I thought these notebooks were so freaking cute. I got these from Costco, and it came in a pack of these 3. Whoa, lost one. It came in a pack of these 3 notebooks, so I grabbed 2 sets of 3 notebooks because I needed 4. However, like I said, you can put any notebook you want in there. You can customize it. This will give your gifter, would they be a gifter or a giftee? This will give your gift receiver an area to write down goals, to write down thoughts, to write down things that stand out to them in the book you're giving. I personally believe in journaling. It's super important to me, and I do it every day in my daily lifestyle. I try to keep track of everything, hold myself accountable in my notebook. The next few items are about giving yourself a little lovin'. The first thing is I got some sheet masks. These are from Costco. It comes in a pack of 8 masks. I think this was $14. $18. I think this was $18. Again, I'm just ballparking these prices because I didn't keep the receipts. It was around $18 from what I read. It was like $17, $18. Comes with 8 masks. That averages out to around $2.15 a mask. So I thought this was an awesome deal. And it comes with a milk one, a honey one, pearl, charcoal, another charcoal, an aloe, aqua, collagen, and then 2 milk exfoliating pads, which I didn't put those in the boxes, it only came with 2 and I was making 4. But if you're gifting this to one person, you always put those in. It's up to you. So I gave them each 2 masks because I know them personally, so I knew their skin type and kind of what they struggle with a little bit, and so I customized the masks for the person that I was gifting this to. Coming on down the line, the next thing I included is the DIY holiday bath bombs that I made in my last video. So if you want to know how to make these bath bombs, you can go ahead and check the link in my description box. It's down there, it's uploaded, it's ready for you to see. Moving on. The next item in the UnFuck Yourself gift box is essential oils. I am obsessed with essential oils. I found this box at Costco, and it's so cool because it has detox, focus, headache, sleep, abstain, immunity, and de-stress. I put 2 of these per box customized to the person I'm giving it to. So for example, my sister suffers from like really bad headaches, and so I gave her the headache essential oil. This box was about $14 at Costco, and I think this is awesome. The last thing in the box is a cozy item because it's the holidays. We want to stay nice and warm, especially when you're reading. You like to be nice and cozy, so I picked up the freaking most adorable slipper socks. I got these at Costco in a pack of 2. So again, I bought 4, so I got 2 packs. And these were $10 for 2 pairs of slipper socks. So $5 a pair of slipper socks. Slipper socks. You don't know until you try them. The idea behind this box is that you get a little spa night in, you take a nice cozy bath, you put some essential oils on, you give your face a little loving. Coming out of the bath, you're all nice and steamy and all relaxed and relaxed. Did I say that twice? And then you get on your cozy pajamas, you put your cozy slipper socks on, you curl up on the couch with your new book, pull out your notebook, your highlighters, your pens, and you then improve your mind, your intelligence, yourself. You make those deposits. And this is what my idea of what unfucking yourself looks like. Comment what you'd put in your UnFuck Yourself gift box down below. You know the drill. If you recreate this box or this gift idea, I want to see it. Tag me across all social media. All the links will be in the description bar box below. I post videos every Friday at 4:30, and if you want to get notified, click the notification bell. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I guess I can't focus with him on me. This is my roommate's cat. He's really handsome. Because I talk so loud, I take my volume down. Red, red, red. I'm so freaking loud. I could just turn my volume down. It never goes down to yellow because I talk so freaking loud.